YouTube. As y'all can see by the title, man, we got another POV cut up. I ain't even finna talk y'all heads off too much. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro, if y'all not already. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, la.davy. Hold up. Get the red guts for y'all that's new in here. Today, we got a special POV cut up, man. Hold on, let me see how this joint looking. We got a special POV cut up. Cause today, hold on, let's click him. Today, we're not going custom. Today, we're not going sport. It's Halloween, man. Shit finna get spooky. Today, we're in track mode only. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We trying to be consistent, Davy. We trying to get hella vids out. I ain't finna talk y'all heads off too much. Hold on. Yeah, also, before you get into this video, all music in this video will be by my boy SLE Benny, aka Streets Love Boomin'. Boom, put this shit up on the screen somewhere. All right, let's get straight into this video, though. I'm gonna try this video a different way. I'm gonna play the music throughout the car instead of editing it in the video. Yeah, let's get straight into this cut up, man. Right now, chat, I don't even know where I'm finna go. I just know I'm finna get on the highway and act a fool. Yeah, chat, I be forgetting I got two hands, bro. I gotta start using my two hands on these cut-ups. I be a one-hand warrior, but that's just how I drive, though. Also, when I be doing these cut-ups, I be sitting too high, so y'all can't see that shit. I gotta make sure this shit look righteous. Hold on, let me see. This shit look right, bro? Oh, this shit hella delayed, so I don't know. Hopefully, I can see the steering wheel and all that shit, bro. All right, so let me do the down angle and put this up some. All right, that should work. Put it down and look up some, because, yeah, I like sitting up, bruh. Leaning back on this shit, that should be too bad. Let me know in the comments, do y'all fuck with me playing the music in the background, or do y'all fuck with me adding that shit in the back? Woo, I don't know, every time I be about to cut up, my heart be racing, y'all. I don't know, it might be just ever since I crashed this bit. Can't lose my baby again. Y'all know it's Red Key Davy. Y'all can't even really see the lights in the daytime, though. I gotta get these joints fixed. If y'all see in the door when I open it, that shit is not fully in. I feel like this light already been green. I just ain't been paying attention, bro. I can't fake it. And we've been sitting here for a minute. I'll probably edit this shit until the fucking shit start. Ah, never mind. We ain't listen to this one. We on the next one. Don't like that joint either. All right, y'all. Let's cut up in this track mode. I be getting scared because that shit say traction off, bruh. That's what that track mode do. Let's see what they be hitting for. Slow it down right here. I be scared this shit gonna start sliding, boy. What two-handed joint? Hold up. Let's do that. Y'all don't need to see that. Y'all don't need to see what I'm pushing, shawty. Hold on, let me go to some shit I actually fuck with, like damn! Where the tire pressure shit at? There we go. Alright, let's cut up. Oh shit! Boy, this fucking scat is something different. Hold on. These niggas playing great defense. We on the turnpike right now, so the speed limit is well over 80. You feel me? Come on now, shawty. Y'all can't even see it how I want y'all to. Bring this joint a little lower. Ain't nobody fucking out here today, bruh. I was gonna blow the shit out of me. Ain't nobody out here today. This shit just too open, shawty. This a little early morning cut up though. It's like, yeah, 12 in the afternoon, bruh. Niggas probably already at work and shit. Y'all know I'm just trying to terrorize the city. Hopefully it's somebody more so up there, you feel me? Hey, I appreciate all the love and support y'all boys been showing as well. We at what? 8.7, 8.6K subs, bro. Y'all been running that shit up like crazy. Y'all know I just I got over my PTSD and I slid the scat in the last vid, boy. Trying to get more into sliding that hoe. Hopefully y'all can see this shit right. Every time I look at this screen, bro, this shit don't be how I want y'all to see it. I want y'all to be able to see the yeah too, you feel me? Kind of what I put it in there for, you feel me? That's why we doing a daytime cut up. I'm gonna do a nighttime one probably tonight or tomorrow. I'm trying to get y'all daily content for sure. But these niggas ain't no shit. Hey chat, 2 things I need y'all to comment down below, real shit. 1, what color should I wrap my car? Cause I think I'm gonna wrap my shit. I'm probably gonna have my nigga Honcho. Y'all know he make my thumbnails and shit. Probably gonna have him make me a custom wrap that I could put on this bit. Or I'm gonna just wrap it a color. I don't know, it gotta be some shit that go with the red sea stove. So yeah, we gotta lock in. Let me know in the comments, what color should I wrap my shit? And then 2, what should I name my car, chat? Cause I still don't fucking know. I don't know what I'm gonna name it bit. My dudes told me name it Broken Betty after I crashed this joint. Oh, okay, we got niggas up here, but not really, bruh. Cause you get in this left lane and then it's just easy pickings. We gonna get off on Hefner Ave, see if this niggas up here. I ain't even going nowhere, chat. I just hopped on here just to cut up for a vid, real shit. Y'all know I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. I ain't gonna lie, this track mode is not as slippery as I thought it would be, bruh. Cause that traction off, bruh, that shit right there look too scary to a nigga like me, bruh. Y'all know last time that shit said traction off, my car ended in a ditch. Real shit, bruh. So yeah, I don't even like seeing those. Can't even fake it to you. Music off, next song. I think we just heard this one. Yeah, y'all probably can't hear it. This is probably an ass way to play the music, bro. I think, yeah, next video, we probably just edit it in there or some shit. Who knows? I know I'm finna try to feed y'all content daily. Fuck around, try to do double uploads, bro. Cause most of my videos be just cutting up. I gotta get back into modding my shit too, bro. RPM steering wheel coming soon, bro, with the LGB lights. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get the colored SRT joint real soon. It's just like, bro, hold on, let me try to open this joint. Y'all see how I got this shit, bro? Like, bro, any lower, bro, and I can't fucking see. You see what I'm saying, bro? I'm just trying to get y'all to see the whole shaboing boing. And this screen is delayed as fuck. Like, y'all see what we're currently looking at versus what the fuck this screen is showing? Shit crazy. Turn me up though, Boom. Where everybody at, nigga? I'm trying to hoop. It's a fucking open gym. Where the fuck the hoopers at? I think I might be late to the hoop sesh. Let me catch up. I know y'all can't hear that shit. Oh. 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 Oh, shit. That motherfucker get up there. What y'all doing with this OC defense? I know a crazy hooper that'll try to get through that shit, bruh. Like he could fit his car through there. Nigga, you're geeked up. Could fit my car through there though. Let good to it. Nigga, let do it. Ooh. I fold the traffic up here, bro. Let's get to it. I'm trying to bob and weave, bob and weave. Oh, what you doing, buddy? Whoa, 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 whoa. What you doing, buddy? Trying to bob and weave, bob and weave. I can't stand when it be fucking Hall of Fame clamps. Like, three-way defenders, that's crazy behavior. I would never go on that side to get over. Y'all know my nigga D-Mark did in the last cut up. That nigga's crazy. It was more space, though, but you get the gist. I'd never do some shit like that, fool. All right, bro. Pick up this speed, bro. I'm in track mode only, bro. I'm trying to get easty. Trying to get easty. Oh, my signal been on for like 3 minutes. My fault, shawty. Turn me up, boom. That's on. I'm for sure editing this shit in the next vid. This is a dumbass idea trying to play it like this, bro. But nah, I ain't gonna lie. I be silent as fuck whenever I'm not talking. Niggas ain't shit, bro. But I tried to go through, yeah, but that nigga, these niggas are playing great defense today, boy, I tell you. Great fucking defense, impeccable. I'm telling you, niggas is defensive shuffles, bro. You know all that shit. Shit, crazy work. I was gonna get off the highway right here, bro. I think we're gonna keep pushing it though. What we at, 12 minutes on the vid? Every time I look at this clip, this shit looks so ass, bro. I'm gonna put my seat lower. Yeah, let me lower my seat. Hopefully y'all can see that shit now, bruh. Nigga? Damn, let me hoop, bro. I wanted to do that, bro. That would have been a clip. What you doing, little nigga? What you doing, little nigga? Smack this shit out you, boy. Oh, this truck is driving about slow than a bitch, though. I was gonna get off right there, just go down there and push back to the pad. But fuck it, bro. When you hooping, you hooping. Actually, while I'm out, chat, I might as well go to my go back to my jeweler, bruh. That nigga fixed my bracelet, chat. But like the clamp, that bitch is too small, bro. So that bitch do not keep my it don't be keeping my bracelet on sometimes. That shit be falling off the hook and shit. I be like, oh hell nah, shawty. See, like this shit right here, like the three defenders, bro, you can't do shit. You can't do shit but put faith in them Brimbos. Yes, Lord. I'm hoping I'm gonna cut up. I'm gonna see a little marrow, a little stang, a little something, you know what I'm saying? I ain't seeing nada. Nada. Where we finna hoop now? Fuck it, we going up this way. We finna go over east. Fuck it, let's do it. We going over east, bro, cause these niggas in the city ain't on shit. Hey, if y'all fucking with the POV so far, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I I might upload this POV and then upload the POV on the way home. I'm gonna just cut up somewhere and then do a POV on the way to the crib. You see what I'm saying? Type shit, chat. Okay. The niggas in traffic with it though? Let me see something. That ain't no Kia K5, nigga. That ain't no Kia K5, nigga. This nigga don't speed up or get the fuck over, bro. Boy, I swear. Oh, what you trying to do? Turn me up some more, huh? Showing over there, nigga. Let's hoop, nigga. I got a place to be too. I don't, but nigga, I'm finna cut up like I do. That nigga ain't on nothing either, bruh. Nah, bring that little shit up here. Come on. I'm right with you. Bring that little shit up here. Is he on that? Hell no, that nigga slowing down, bruh. What up, chat? Hey, it look like don't nobody want to hoop when it's track mode only. Look at him, nigga, just pushing a little 40. So that's probably finna conclude this video, man. That's gonna wrap this bitch up. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, la.davy on Instagram, or 392davy. I got 2 pages. Shit, what else, bro? Yeah, bro, shut the video to your mama. Oh, I didn't get a fucking thumbnail. Shit, I'm about to cut up on the way back and get one. I got y'all, chat.